Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for eastern DeWitt County, Hyde County, southeastern McLean County, western Champaign County until 4:30 a.m. At 10:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimates 1 to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour across portions of the area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall Fisher, Hayworth, Lake of the Woods, Leroy, Muhammad, Mansfield, Philo, Savoy, Saybrook, Seymour, Thomasburg, Tolona, Urbana, Weldon, and Whiteheath.
For the following county, McLean County, Illinois, the National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for eastern DeWitt County in central Illinois, Piatt County in central Illinois, southeastern McLean County in central Illinois, western Champaign County in east central Illinois until 4:30 a.m. At 10:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimates 1 to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour across portions of the area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Champaign, Monticello, Rantoul, Beament, Cerro Gordo, Colfax, Dulles, Downs, Farmer City, Fisher, Hayworth, Lake of the Woods, Leroy, Muhammad, Mansfield, Philo, Savoy, Saybrook, Seymour, Thomasboro, Tolona, Urbana, Weldon, and Whiteheath. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.